talk here. We got Jason.
Oh.
Talking to us.
Hey.
There you are. What's up, man?
I'm sorry. I had you on mute. I'm cold calling. Hey, I just wanted to show you this. You asked. I got it framed.
Oh,
Lord.
Oh,
Wait a
my
second.
Lord.
Oh,
Look
there we
at
go.
that. Let's make this big. Oh, snap. Beautiful, man.
That's 6,000 right there. That's my first one, so I framed it.
Okay.
What is that?
it.
That's $500 per one-on-one call he did with us. I don't know. Well, whatever one it was, it ended up doing well, man. Right. And so
Yeah. I actually got another one too for 5,000. So
they just come easier after the first one, right?
No, they do.
Yeah.
That's how you learn the skill set. You can get bigger numbers and get more quantity. It's people really act like you just jump in the wholesaling. You get a $30,000 check in your first 3 weeks and everything's smooth sailing. I tell everybody it's a journey, and you can do it for free or you can pay. You're all taking the same journey because at the end of the day, it's up to you to take the action and you to be accountable to yourself. And if you think anybody else is going to substitute that, you're crazy. The day you say, I'm accountable and I'm going to move forward in spite of, that's when you really start wholesaling, because you start whining and complaining and bitching about it. It's endless. And once you go, I'm wasting time and energy. Let's just go focus on find some more motivated sellers. So I'm proud of you, dude. I know you've been like fighting through this, and like you've had a couple deals that
let them talk about
lost.
it. I want you to tell everyone listening who you are, how many times you've been on here, and all this stuff, because I think it's really inspirational.
Oh yeah, I've been on here a couple times. You know, I've been watching you guys for probably like a year and a half, but I didn't really start taking action until January. And once I really like buckled down and started doing it, I got 2 deals. I closed them in when was that? May. It sucks because I'm looking back now and I see that cash buyer sold it for 50,000, but it doesn't matter because I didn't put up any money. He put up his own money. He bought it, so it is what it is.
You could have lost 50 on it.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm cold calling now, and I'm looking for the next one.
That's it, man. Before you ever feel bad about a cash buyer making money, you got to realize they can equally lose the money. And as talking to you, you got some amazing kids, right? What would that do to your family's financial situation if you lost 2 $50,000 deals? Probably not good.
Oh God, no.
And you though, you didn't put that risk on your family but you got the money for wholesaling, which is a lot less risk. There's a lot of dads out here that will watch the big football games. You know, they'll get into painting boats, and that time they've spent into wholesaling, you make a lot of money. So a lot of people your age, you know, they get into other tinkering stuff, right? They get into boats, they get into fishing.
Let it go.
But you put that energy into wholesaling, and guess what? You're making money now, and hey, it's changing your life. So we're proud of you.
Yeah, that would set me back a lot. I have full custody of both my kids, so it's just me and them at home. That would set me back very far.
Guess what, Jason, though? Guess what? Your kids can come back and watch this video and show how proud they are of their dad, that he never gave up.
Absolutely.
He kept doing it. He did real estate deals, and he put his dedication into something, and he got real results from it. And there's nothing that can take that away from you, man.
And the amount of time you're going to get with your kids while you do this, because you'll get much more prolific at it. And then they wind up next to you just like this. So type of deal.
I'm looking forward to it.
With them. And that's, it's the greatest thing you can give your kids. Kids, listen, they say they want money, but the reality is time is the most precious thing you can give to a child.
Oh, yeah.
Even an adult, a person, because you can't get it back. And once you recognize it and understand it, people follow with you. It's like, but I always made my kids inclusive when I did wholesale. I'm like, come on, kids, we're going to go look at a house. They're like, and my daughter was never crazy about it. He loved it because he would go through all the trinkets in the house. And then my daughter always told on me, you know what dad made us do today? I'm like, I kick her a little bit, but
no. I'll bring mine. I'll bring mine on houses. I'll bring them all day long. Oh, they like it. They'll like it. Yeah. So, but anyways, I'll see you guys in October then. Looking forward to it.
Awesome, I can't wait. So, Jason, I really appreciate it, man. You got this. You're the man.
Absolutely. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. You mentioned you wanted to see the check, so there it is.
We did. So we'll clip this out. We'll probably put it in the Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook, Wholesaling Houses for Real YouTube channel. Mm-hmm. So your kids can see that little clip forever. All right.
Absolutely. I appreciate it. You guys have a good day.
All right. Appreciate it.
Talk to you next time.
All right. Awesome. See you, man. The reason why we want to clip that out and post it is because when his kid gets his first wholesaling deal, you can go watch that. That's the point. Guys, it's a family affair.